bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever see.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday. Sana naging masaya ka sa naging sorpresa namin sa iyo kasama ng ating mga anak. Deserve mo na magkaroon ng ganitong event dahil sa naging pagsisikap mo sa ating pamilya, maging sa mga kamag-anak natin, sa mga pamangkin, sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Kaya nga, sinikap ng iyong mga anak na magsagawa ng ganitong mga pagkakataon dahil gusto namin na mapasaya ka sa ikalimangpung karawan ng iyong pagsilang. Muli, happy birthday, mahal. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng iyong mga anak.
You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mama, I'm the lucky one. 'Cause when God made you my mother, He knew who I need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was.
Happy birthday, Mami. So, ang wish ko sa'yo is, of course, matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Kung ano mong gusto mangyari sa amin, alam ko, kakayanin namin hanggang matupad namin yan. Yun lang, and happy birthday again. I love you.
I wanna be like you. If He picks me from the others, I'm gonna try to fill your shoes. 'Cause mama, you're my hero and everything I wanna be.
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday. And we love you so much. So, itong celebration na to, hindi para magpa-reimburse sa'yo. It's a memory that you will cherish forever. And we love you so much. Happy birthday, Mami!